Hello friends, welcome back to Food Logix. Today we are going to cook very healthy, yummy and super easy bottle gourd vegetable. It gets cooked in 5 minutes and no onion and garlic is used in it. So without wasting a single moment, let's start cooking. I have taken around half kg of bottle gourd, peeled it and chopped it into small pieces. Once it's chopped, we'll wash it thoroughly and keep it aside. Heat 1 spoon of cooking oil in a pressure cooker. Add 1 spoon of cumin, that is jeera. To this we'll add chopped tomatoes and mix well. Now add 1 spoon ginger paste. You can add ginger garlic paste also if you want. Add 1 spoon water. Mix it well. Cook on low flame till tomatoes become little mushy like this. Add 1 teaspoon salt, coriander powder, red chili powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix well and cook it further for 2 minutes on a low flame. After around 1 minute of cooking, add chopped bottle gourd and mix well. Cook it on low flame for 30 seconds. Now add around 1 cup of water to it. Mix it well, close the lid and wait for 2 whistles. Let the 2 whistles come and switch off the gas after 2 whistles. Guys, don't forget to follow Food Logix on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I have given the link in the description box. Let's open the pressure cooker after 2 whistles. Wow, our bottle gourd vegetable is done. Just mash it little bit. If you want to add more consistency, then cook it for 1 or 2 minutes more. Let's serve it. Isn't it a very easy and a yummy and a very quick recipe? Do like the video and share it among your friends and family. Try this recipe and share your feedback with me. Now we'll garnish this with fresh coriander leaves. Wow, it's done. Do check out my other recipes on clicking the I button above. You can serve it hot with naan, roti, chapati or anything of your choice. You can cook this healthy vegetable on fasting days also. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon too. See you all soon in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.